Mga kayopi, nandito tayo ngayon sa Aquamarine at meron ditong Life Vantage Pro Tandem Roadshow. Tingnan natin. Tara, pasok tayo. Nandito na tayo sa event hall. So we have good speakers, itong mga doctors, pharmacists, seniors, and many more. So meron tayo ditong mga gustong makita ang benefits ng product for their health. Meron namang iba looking for business opportunities. Ito yung product nila mga kayopi. Pro Tandem Synergizer or Cellular Activator via Nutrogenomics. Ano ba yung? Simple lang naman, alam natin ang our body is made of cell and this product help regenerate cell and meron silang 3 pathways technology to do it. NRF1 boost mitochondria which give you more energy. Inside out, improve your heart. NRF2 repair your cell, lower oxidative stress, self-healing process, or in other words, it can help cure our self or remove free radicals to our body that cause sickness. The last is the NAD, increase your serotonin activity or improve your mental focus. Madami na ding review studies dito like Harvard University. Sa description lang yung site where you can buy this product, or if gusto nyo namang gawin itong business or need more information, leave a comment below and usap tayo. So lang mga kayopi, sana nakatulong ito bagong kalaman. Bye!